Making sure that it's on the water thing, so if the water gets onto it, it'll be safe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. Or it is good. It is good.
Yeah. It's raining.
What?
It's not good. I don't know if should we just wait through the rain?
Let's see.
I want to wait through the rain. We're gonna get wet. Anyway we do it.
There you go.
I'm pretty sure all the ants are retreating to their home.
Probably.
They're like, run! It's raining! It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Hit his head on his bed, and I won't wake till morning.
That's a stupid gotcha. It's weird. It's not a gotcha life. Yeah, it is. It's where the other the bad girl's friends beat up
The main character.
Are there any bugs who do like water?
Water striders.
Water striders don't like water because that'll make them drown.
They're on top of water, and every bug that dies on top of the water they consume.
What they do is once the water hits them, they get plop down. If enough rain hits them, they'll just fall into the water. Just because they're water striders and they have special abilities doesn't mean they're...
You do realize there are bugs that can literally breathe underwater.
Like?
I don't remember, but there's a species of beetle that can do it.
Actually, almost all beetles can do it.
The hairs on their skin is so tight that it basically protects them in a film of...
I'm trying to keep my glasses from getting wet. That's why they're under my hat.
a film of air. And as the beetle breathes, the carbon dioxide comes out and the carbon and the oxygen in the water goes through. Yeah, wait, logo.
I'll just sit somewhere else. Oh, rain. We love rain when we need rain,
Yep.
Yeah.
but not when we don't.
Yeah.
Is this a savanna, a plains, or a desert?
Grasslands. Alicia, we're not playing video games.
Especially in the rain.
No, I'm turning it off. Don't want to waste as much power as I am.